In this lesson, we'll be discussing about dividing fractions and mixed numbers. Let us first answer the given activity. It says in the direction, change the given mixed number to improper fraction and then get its reciprocal. So we have here 1 and 1/2. To change this one into improper, we need to multiply the denominator to the whole number. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then add the product to the numerator. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. And then just copy your denominator, which is 2. To get the reciprocal, just flip it, put the denominator to your numerator, and then the numerator will become your denominator. So from 3 over 2, the reciprocal is 2 over 3. Next, 2 and 3/4. So multiply 4 and 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then copy the denominator, which is 4. Next, get the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 11 over 4 is 4 over 11. Next, 3 whole or 3 and 1/5. So 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 over the denominator is 5. The reciprocal is 5 over 16. And then lastly, we have 4 and 2/3. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, and then copy the denominator 3, then flip it, so we have 3 over 14. So let us now divide the following mixed number and a fraction. The first one is 2 and 1/2 divided by 3 over 4. Before we can solve this one, we have to convert first the given mixed number into improper fraction. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then copy the denominator, which is 2, divided by 3 over 4. Let us now divide. Copy your dividend, change division to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of your divisor. So it will now become 4 over 3. Let us cancel this and this. Get their common factor, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We can now multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. As you can see here, we have an improper fraction. We need to simplify. Convert it now into a mixed fraction. So 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Therefore, the final answer now is 3 whole and 1 over 3. Next, we have 1/5. So 1/5 divided by, let us change 1 and 1/2 to an improper fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Copy denominator 2. Let us now divide. So copy the dividend, change the operation to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 3 over 2. That is 2 over 3. Now the answer is 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we have 5 over 2 divided by, change this one into improper. 5 times 1 is 6. 5. And then plus 2, we have 7. Copy the denominator, which is 5. So we copy now your dividend, change division to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal. So we have 5 over 7. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 7 is 14. So we have an improper fraction of 25 over 14. 25 over 14. Simplify it. So 1 times 14 is 14. 25 minus 14 is 11. So our final answer is 1 whole and 11 over 14. And then lastly, we have 4 and 1 over 3. Change this into improper. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3. And then divided by 5 over 6. Copy your dividend, change division to multiplication, get the reciprocal of 5 over 6. It will become 6 over 5. Cancel out, cancel out. Common factor is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 13 times 2 is 26. 1 times 5 is 5. Simplify. we have 26 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 26 minus 25 is 1. Therefore, the final answer is 5 whole and 1 over 5.